This is a very sensitive case in which the defamation of particular section of society, the ladies belonging to that section have been defamed and their sentiments have been hurt by a few people who had uploaded an app on the website called Bullibai, a Twitter handle also in the same name was created. Most of the details of this case are available with you from different sources, but to tell you little details about the factuality of the case and the investigation conducted so far, we are addressing this press conference. Also, lot of rumors are floating around about the investigation or about the case. So to rule out those rumors, I thought it is better to address you people all collectively and give the information. In this case, this Bullibai app was basically created on which pictures of some ladies belonging to a particular community were uploaded and messages with these pictures, objectionable messages were also put, and these were circulated on media by using the Twitter handles. We received the complaint in Mumbai on 2nd of January. Immediately we registered the offense and started the technical analysis of the case. In the process, we identified a young person, Kumar Vishal Jha or Vishal Kumar Jha, he uses both the names, from Bangalore, who is a second year engineering student. We apprehended him and the investigation started. This Bullibai app had 5 followers, so we started investigating on those followers and we came to know who are the operators or who had initiated these Twitter handles. Accordingly, so far in the investigation, we have arrested 3 persons, including a lady. 2 persons are from Uttarakhand, we have arrested so far, and as told you, 1 person is from Bangalore. The investigation will follow. I must request you all, I know you are curious to know details, but as I told you, this case is sensitive and it will not be appropriate to divulge lot of details of the investigation which otherwise can hamper the ongoing investigation, and the accused people who are not apprehended so far, they might try to destroy the evidence, as most of the investigation is online and on the internet. So I request you all, press media, to cooperate with us and not to insist for too many details. I will also request and tell that we have apprehended these people from different places, and some local authorities have given some version about it, which I feel was not required because they were not aware about the details of the case, and generally we don't speak about other units cases or other states cases. And that was the purpose of holding this press conference, that you people should get authenticated news. Our investigation will proceed and progress, and whoever all are involved into this planning and operation of defamation of particular section of the society, we will make our best efforts to apprehend all these people. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.